All right, fourth graders, today we are going to be identifying trapezoids and rhombuses. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral, and a quadrilateral means a four-sided shape. So it has to have four sides. Say four-side. A four-sided shape with one set of parallel sides. If you remember, parallel is when two lines are opposite each other, and if they continued on forever, they would never cross. So it can look that way, or it can look this way, it can look this way, it can look that way. So it's parallel, means the lines will never cross. All right, so is this quadrilateral a trapezoid? Is it four-sided? And does it have one pair of parallel sides? Parallel sides. Well, let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, it's four-sided. Does it have one pair of parallel sides? So this side right here is not parallel to this side. But let's check the other one. This side right here. Is it parallel? Do they look like a parallel line they'll never cross? Yes, so this would be a trapezoid. All right, is this quadrilateral a trapezoid? So, well, first things first, is it four-sided? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is. Does it have one set of parallel sides? Let's see. Use blue to measure this one and this one. Oops, looks like these sides will intersect, so this side's not parallel. Let's look at the other sides. Bum-ba-da-dum. Those lines do look parallel. They don't look like they'll ever cross, so yes, this is a trapezoid as well. All right, selecting all the trapezoids. So we've got four-sided figures, so we're just going to look at the sides. Is this side parallel with this side? Nope. Is this side parallel with this side? Nope. So this would not be a trapezoid. Okay, let's look here. We've got this side length and this side length. Those look like they could possibly intersect, but let's look at the other side. Bum-ba-da-dum-bum-bum, bum-ba-da-dum-bum-bum. Those look parallel, so this would be one that is a trapezoid, but we have to check all of them before we move on. So here we've got this side, the opposite side looks like they will intersect at some point, because if we continue those lines on. So let's look at the other side. Bum-ba-da-dum. The opposite sides here are parallel lines, so this one is also a trapezoid. Let's look finally at this last one. We've got this parallel side and this parallel side. Very good. We don't have to finish, but I'm going to finish it anyways. This other side is not parallel, but that's okay because we've got one set. So we would click 1, 2, 3 for this one. All right, now we're going to be looking at rhombuses. So a rhombus is a quadrilateral, which we know is a four-sided shape, where all the sides are the same length. So for a rhombus to be a rhombus, it has to have four sides, and they have to all be the same length. Same length. Okay. Moving on. Is this quadrilateral a rhombus? Does it have four sides? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Are all the sides the same length? So we've got 22, 22, 22, 22. That's the measurement. Yes, they are all the same. So yes, this is a rhombus. Is this quadrilateral a rhombus? First things first, is it four-sided? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is. Are all the sides the same? All right, let's see. We've got 18, 18, that's the same, but then we've got 15 and 15. Since all four of them are not the same measurement, this is not a rhombus. Okay, select the rhombuses. So all of them have four sides. Now we have to see, do they have the same length? 17 is one side, 17, 17, 17. This would be 1. Here we've got 17, 17, but then we've got 10 and 24. Since they're not all four the same, that is not a rhombus. And here we've got all the same sides. This is also a rhombus. Last one, select all the. So we've got 6 four-sided figures, so they're all four-sided. Now we have to see if they have the same side measures. 15, 9, 12, and 18, that's not the same. 18, 18, 10, and 25, that's not all the same. 4, 4, 4, 4, that would work. We've got 3, 5, 6, and 4, they're not all the same. And then we've got 1, 1, 1, 1, that works. 17, 10, 17, 10, they're not all the same, so we cross that out. So we're only left with 2.